Welcome, my name is Albert. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos, because on this channel, I help you guys become better men and to help you guys become better with women. Today's topic, we're going to be discussing how to make her miss you. See, guys, this is a very popular question that I get asked to me all the time. But before we go into it, I want you guys to understand one thing. This concept you have to understand. Before we can dive into how to make her miss you, there's a concept that you need to understand. And that concept is having an abundance mindset. As a high value male, right, you need to have an abundance mindset. And that is what you are trying to do. If you are trying to become a high value male, this is one of the things that you have to have, an abundance mindset. What is an abundance mindset? Is it having multiple women? Is it having multiple? No. It's the mindset that if this one particular interaction with this girl doesn't go right, it's fine. It doesn't make or break me. There's always going to be another interaction with another girl, and I'll have another opportunity to get with a girl, right? So every interaction won't make or break you. If you have that kind of mentality, that's what an abundance mentality is. A scarcity mindset, right? This is when every interaction is like make or break. Oh man, I really hope she likes me, because if she doesn't like me, I don't know when I'm going to talk to another person, right? So that concept, you need to have it in your mind, the abundance mindset. It's very, very important. So let's go right into this. How do you make a girl miss you? What is it that you have to do to make a girl miss you? You see, the concept is simple, but the application for most guys is very difficult. And what is it? It's the concept of giving her her space and her time. You just have to. You have to give her her space. You have to give her time. You have to give her a chance to miss you. I know it's very simple, but trust me, this concept of just pulling back when she pulls away. And here's the thing. Does it work on every girl? It only works on girls that are already kind of invested in you. So it won't work on a girl that you just met yesterday, or you guys have been on a date, on one date, and you just kind of pull away. Unless she was in love with you and for some reason you were just being too needy, right? But here's the thing. If it's a girl that you guys have been going out for like 3 weeks, a month, the longer a girl is invested in you, the more this concept will work on her, right? Giving her her space, giving her that chance to miss you. You see, the thing is that women are like cats, right? They are not cats, they are like cats, okay? The thing is, when you want to pet a cat, right? It will try and run away, right? It will run away. It wouldn't want you to pet it, right? But here's the thing. Once you show indifference and you give the cat its room to do whatever it is that it wants to do, later on during the day, it will actually come and crawl up to you. This is the same way that women are. If you are always smothering them with attention, they will want to run away. They're like, okay, you know what? I don't want to be anywhere near this guy, right? But once you give her her space, once you let her miss you, let her wonder, where is he? Is he having an orgy right now? Here's the thing. You may possibly just be at home chilling with one girl, right? But that's the way the female mind works. It works overtime. While she's thinking you might be out there having an orgy, you might just be on a date with another girl, that you just met. She might be thinking, oh, he's probably dating like 8, 10 girls, but maybe you're just on a date with one girl, or maybe 2 girls. You know what I'm saying? But that is what you got to do. You have to let her wonder about you, right? If you're always smothering her, trust me, if you're always smothering her, she's gonna think, why is this guy so attention? Like, he always seems to be free. Doesn't he have anything going on for him? The other way I want you guys to think about it is like this. It's the concept of like your favorite food, right? Like me, I love pizza. I love pizza, right? Let's say I'm craving pizza and I order the pizza. As I'm going to get the pizza, I love the pizza. It's, oh man, it's in my mind. I can just picture it. Once I get there, I order my favorite pizza, pan pizza, topping, pineapple chicken. Oh man, I can't wait to get this home. In the car, I'm looking over at the seat. I'm like, ooh, I'm about to get into some pizza when I get home. Drop it on the table, open it up. That smell that just hits you in the face. Woo, man. You're like, wow, I can't wait to get into this pizza. I take the first slice. I eat it. Oh, the best. Let me ask you this. Let me pause it right there. Let me ask you this. Do you think I'm going to feel the same way I felt at the first pizza, the same way that I will feel at the 10th pizza? Do you think I'll feel the same way at the 10th pizza, the same way I felt on the first pizza? There's no way. Because I've had so much pizza, it's not the same feeling, right? It's not the same excitement. It's not the same thrill. But let's say I eat 2 pizza today, and then I save some for the next day. I will still have that, oh my goodness, oh, I can't wait. Oh man, I have leftovers from yesterday. Oh, that pizza was good, right? If I save some for the next day, I'm gonna still want to eat the pizza as much as I wanted that first time. But if I had it the whole day, the whole pizza that one night, I'm not gonna enjoy it the whole pizza as much. It's the same thing with your attention, guys. You have to be very, very strict with the attention that you give women, right? Because the more attention you give her, the less likely that she's gonna miss you, and the more that she's gonna start resenting it, right? The more she'll start resenting. If you ever notice a woman pulling away from you, or she's losing attraction, or you feel like she's just not showing enough emotion towards you, maybe you might be giving her too much of it, right? And she's like subconsciously trying to tell you, you know what? Maybe you need to tone it down. The other thing is that when you give too much attention, you come off as needy and insecure. And trust me, guys, these two things are the worst way to kill attraction with a woman. If you definitely want a woman not to miss you, just show her that you're needy and insecure. These two things will kill any bit of attraction that she might have had for you, right? And if she's not attracted to you, she's not gonna miss you. So you have to give her that space, give her that time. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't be so available. If she wants to hang out every day, don't be so available, right? Don't be available every single day, because after a while, she's like, wait, doesn't he have anything going on for him? Think about it. Does it, like, your friends that you hang out with, who do you value more? The person that has all the time in the world, or the person that can only see you once in a while? You know, he only has time once in a while. It's like, ah, dude, yeah, man, I wanna chill, but I got so much work, you know what, maybe like next week we'll chill. That person, you value the time more than someone that's like, oh yeah, sure, let's hang out every day. Oh, you wanna hang out 2 weeks in a row, every single day, without no breaks? Yeah, sure. That person, you're not gonna value the time as much as somebody that is actually, oh dude, bro, the next time I'm gonna be free is like 2 weeks from now, honestly. Like, I wanna hang out, but I just got so much work. That person you're gonna value more. So use that same concept with women, okay? The other thing is that a woman will never miss a guy that she feels that has less value than her. Just like I just mentioned, if you're always available to her, she's not gonna value your time as much, okay? And finally, I'm gonna say this. If you, as a man that wants to be a high value male and you want to be on your purpose, right? You should not be wondering if a girl misses you or not. Having that abundance mindset and being a man of value and being a man of purpose and a driven man that is actually focused on his goal, you shouldn't be wondering if a girl misses you or, you know, is she thinking about me right now? No. All that. If you haven't reached the goal that you are setting for yourself, that should be the last thing on your mind. If you're thinking about that, that means you have too much time on your hands, okay? So do that. That is all I'll say for this video. If you want women to miss you, give them that time and space, okay? And if you still need convincing, rewind this video and rewatch it, because you need to understand this concept very well. Okay, that is the video for today. I'll see you guys next time. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, subscribe, hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Okay, and with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.